We'll do some elementary mathematics here. We'll have some weird questions. Some questions which are not asked, although they are meant to be asked at a very young age. I never asked the question. I always thought about it in my mind, pondered it, but got no results as the questions were abstract, as in many cases in mathematics. So I got the answer ready just when I was posted as a teacher in a senior basic school, and in a in the 7th class, I asked several questions including algebra, and I was stunned when a girl asked me, a small girl asked me, why was it that minus times minus equals plus, and I will show this elaborately here. And the steps are distinct, and you can easily meticulously follow it. So y minus a times minus b minus a times minus b equals, what does it equal to? We know that it equals ab, but we will extract it out and have not written the answer. So we'll discuss one property, and we'll let this property to be validated for all algebraic numbers, integers, and the property will be this is called distributive law of multiplication over addition. The law is formulated as E times F plus G gives you E times F plus E times G. You have seen there that the multiplication is distributed over addition, isn't it? Okay, now we will find something other than this thing. And what it is? We will find what it is meant by minus a times b. What does it mean? Now we follow a sequence of steps which are guided by that distributive principle. Okay, we know that minus a times b plus a times b equals to, you can take b common and sum over minus a and a. Now a is the additive inverse of minus a, and this gives you 0, and b times 0 is 0, all the same. Then we have the next process going out here, So then we have minus a times b equals, say, a times b was here, and when it is taken to the other side, it will change the sign, minus a times b. We write it as ab. Okay, that does not correspond to the earlier issue. Minus a times b equals minus this thing. This thing is called AB, isn't it? A times B. Okay, we are done. Now we have only to employ it to a larger problem. And what is the problem? The problem is minus a times minus b, and this is the ultimate problem which we are going to prove, isn't it? There is something called a minus here. Minus sign. Okay, then minus a times minus a minus b, we do not know what it is, so we employ the similar technique. Then minus a times minus b we add it with, we have taken minus a into b, something which corresponds to this, only a change in sign in b, so we add this thing, minus a times b. So if the distributive law follows, then minus a will be common, and we have minus b plus b. Minus b plus b is 0, and the whole result will be 0, isn't it? Then minus a times minus b we have previously found that minus a times b is equals minus ab. Then we write it as minus ab equals 0. Okay, now, or minus a times minus b gives you, when we transfer ab to the right hand side, we change its sign and it becomes ab. This gives us minus times minus equals to plus. I took this entirely from a book written by Spivak, and it is called, I think, Integrals, although it is not integral calculus that is mentioned in it. The thing that is mentioned in it is analysis, either integral or calculus. I don't properly remember the name of the book, but this solves our issue and gives us minus times minus equals to plus. The next time you teach a small one about multiplying integers, you must keep this knowledge in stock, and you can use it to produce further results. And that is all for the day. Thank you.